In this quick video, you'll learn how to replace the battery in your Chevy Sonic key fob. Replacing your battery at home is very easy to do. You do not need to bring your key fob to a dealership or anything like that. And the only thing you'll need to get it done is one CR2032 battery. If you don't have one of these batteries lying around, go check out the link in the description. That link will take you over to Amazon where you can find these particular batteries for just a few bucks. Some of you out there might have a similar device. It's actually the same device, but with 4 buttons or 5 buttons. Some of you probably have the 3-button version as well. It doesn't matter which one you have, as long as it is this flipping Sonic key from 2012 to 2017. You just follow along with this video, and the process is going to be the same, and the battery that it takes is the same as well. It's super easy to do. What we're actually going to do is just flip out this key and push up on this little lip here just to remove this back square of plastic. Let me show you how easy it is. There we go. There's our battery. Once again, pushing up on this. And if it is a little tight for you or you are unable to do that, you can go ahead and grab a large coin like a quarter and you insert it into this area and just give it a twist. And that will make it quite a bit easier for you to just get this back section off. And while you're doing it, hold up on the top because of course this will not be moving. Don't hold here, hold there, and you can just pop this right off. So all we need to do to get this battery out is actually to push right on the battery next to where this tab is, and it will click right out, and you can remove it just like that. Once you have it out, dispose of your old battery. Make sure your new battery is a CR2032 and make sure the positive side is facing up. So you will just slide that in with that plus sign up and just push it down until it sits flat. And all we need to do is just pop this back section on there and fold your key away. And with that, you are done and you are good to go. I hope you found this helpful, and if you did, you can always let me know down in the comment section, or you can just give this video a like. And if you ever need help with another one of your key fobs, you can come back here. We have you covered with tutorials for the devices for almost every make or model out there. And you can also get that information over at our website, fobbattery.com.